Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use Circle to search on Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin. Now, by default, many people actually know what a Circle to search is. Kind of, but they do not know a full capabilities. And first of all, maybe you don't even know how to activate it. Well, by default, you simply press and hold onto the home screen icon and then Circle to search activates and you should see a similar overlay. However, if you don't see that, then you probably have it disabled. So let's quickly enable it. You can easily do that by heading into your settings, scrolling down a little and then clicking display. Inside display, you want to scroll down until you will see navigation bar. And right here we have Circle to search. As you can see, even with gestures, you should be able to easily do that by just pressing and holding the little bar at the bottom. So, how can we actually use the Circle to search? Well, by default, you simply press and hold. And now you can, as you probably guessed by name, circle something to search it. So, for example, we can search ourselves in these settings here. And AI will search through the internet. Usually it will also provide a nice AI overview. And as you can see, the image displays the icon of Samsung Settings, an application designed for Samsung Galaxy Book laptops, particularly those with Qualcomm Snapdragon processors. Now, the AI is sometimes wrong, and it's wrong here because, yes, it is for Samsung Settings, but I don't think it was designed for Samsung Galaxy Book laptops, since I am not on Samsung Galaxy Book. I'm just on the Fold. So, as you can see, you want to take everything that it will say with a little bit grain of salt. But this is not very practical. Let's say you have something very specific on your gallery. For example, I have a picture of the cat. Of course, if you are somehow aware of the meme culture, you probably recognize this cat as a pop cat. We can also try to press and hold, but as you can see, we don't really see. Okay, I'm stupid. I was looking for the buttons. The buttons are here. So I want to press and hold. We can click the whole screen. And as you can see, it did spot it. The image features PopCat, a viral internet meme that originated from a video of a cat named Oatmeal opening and closing its mouth in a popping motion. That's amazing. We even have a full lore about the PopCat, so that's pretty cool. Can we take it even further? Well, yes. For example, we have something like this. It's a mysterious note written in some unknown language. But how can we guess it? Well, technically we could press and hold our Circle to search and circle the note. And AI overview should see that the image displays a handwritten note in Polish that translates to subscribe to our channel, and note is signed with BB. Come on, these were supposed to be hearts. Whatever. Technically we could do that, but that is slow. Instead, you want to press and hold onto Circle to search button, and instead of circling, you want to simply hit this button at the right, and it will automatically translate whatever it finds, in our case, Polish language, to English instantly. So we even see with a very similar location how it's written and how it translates to. If you are in whatever place in your foreign vacation or whatever, this feature is a must-have because it will instantly give you much more information than you would have otherwise. And lastly, about Circle to search, we also have the ability to locate songs. So technically I'm now speaking, I'm not singing or humming a song, but if I would, it would surely detect whatever I would sing. I am a terrible singer though, so I'm not going to do it, but let's say you are in some sort of party and some banger music is playing and you don't really want to ask somebody what the music is because maybe you will look like a moron, maybe you are just introverted, maybe you are shy, whatever. In that case, you want to take your phone, press and hold it, and simply press the icon, and the phone will listen for that song and will provide you with a nice title and probably even a link to it. So as you can see, the capabilities of this feature are endless. And of course you have your typical Google search bar with ability to just, talk and search whatever. I doubt something cool will actually show. Oh yeah, it has troubles. Let's ignore that, but basically you can do whatever you want with this feature, and I hope that this little tutorial actually showcased you how you can easily do that. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.